Hey Math 5, and happy last academic day of fifth grade. I know we still have a few things as a school and as a grade level to do next week, but I just wanted to take a moment and thank you guys. Thank you for what an amazing year it has been together. I am so impressed by all of your growth and everything you have accomplished this year. Um, we grew as a class, you grew as individuals, you helped me grow as a teacher, and I'm so thankful for the positivity and the laughter and the great thinking that you guys brought to math class every day. This isn't how I wanted to end the year. I'm sure you would agree it would be a lot more enjoyable if we were all together, especially on this final day. So just know that I'm sending you hugs and well wishes for a wonderful summer ahead. Make sure you relax, enjoy some sunshine. You definitely deserve it. And I wish you all the luck next year as you embrace life as a middle schooler. You're going to love sixth grade. I've taught many grades in my 10 years as a teacher, and sixth grade content was always my favorite. So I think you'll really enjoy the transition to middle school, the new freedoms, the new responsibility, new teachers. It's going to be a great year. Always remember that I am here for you, even though I won't be at Wes and I will miss you all dearly. I am only an email away. So I will be sure to share my non-Wes email with you and your parents. And I would hope that you will reach out to me just to say hi if you ever need any help, just to tell me how everything is going. But I believe in each and every one of you. You can do hard things, and I know that you will have a great move to sixth grade. I'll miss you guys, love you dearly, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.